Today, we are talking about automation and how you can stop overpaying for it. Many businesses use Zapier to connect apps and automate the tasks. It is popular tool and it works well, but as your business grows, the cost can increase quickly. Many users start looking for better and more affordable alternatives that offer similar or even more powerful features. So in this video, we will talk about why some people are moving away from Zapier and which powerful alternatives you can switch to for a better value. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to automate your process to be success. Today we are exploring smart alternatives of Zapier that can save money and give you more flexibility. I have also added a special offer link in the description for some of these tools so you can get the discounts or bonuses when you sign up by using the link. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description because any special offer that will be applied automatically when you use that. Okay, now let's come to the main part of the video and talk about the options. First, let's talk about what is the problem with Zapier. Zapier is simple and easy to use, but when you need more tasks, more automation, and more advanced workflows, the pricing increases. Many small business and creators feel they are paying too much just to move data between apps. That is why alternatives are becoming more popular. One strong alternative is Make. Basically, Make gives you a visual automation builder where you can see your entire workflow clearly. You can create complex automations with filters, routers, and conditions without paying very high prices. Now, many users prefer Make because it allows more options per workflow and gives you better flexibility or advanced setups. Another powerful option is N8N. This tool is great if you want more control. It can be self-hosted, which means you can run it on your own server and reduce the long-term costs. N8N is very popular among tech-savvy person who want deeper customization. Even though it may look slightly more technical at first, it gives strong automation power once you understand it. You can also look at Public Connect. Public Connect offers lifetime pricing options and generous task limits compared to the Zapier. Many small business owners like it because they can automate apps without worrying too much about monthly bills increasing. It supports many common integrations and works well for email marketing, CRM, and e-commerce automation. Another growing alternative is Integrately. Integrately focuses on simplicity. It offers one-click automations where you can active ready-made workflows. If you feel Zapier is simple but expensive, Integrately give you similar ease of use at a more affordable price point. There is also Active Pages, which is an open source automation tool. It is gaining attention because it combines flexibility with lower cost, like N8N. It gives you more ownership and control over your automation system. Now, you may ask, which one should you choose? The answer depends on your needs. If you want a visual and powerful workflow builder, then Make.com is a great option for you. If you want full control and possibly self-hosting, then N8N and the active pitches, that might be better option for you. If you want budget friendly with good limits, then Public Connect is attractive. If you prefer easy and one-click setups, then Integrately, that is a time saver for you. All these tools help you to connect apps like email marketing platform, CRM, or spreadsheet, and many more. They allow you to automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, updating records, or notifying your team, or syncing the customer data. The goal is the same as Zapier, but often with better pricing or more flexibility. Before switching, think about how many automations you need, how complex your workflow are, and what your budget looks like. Most of these platforms offer trials, so you can test them before fully moving your system. So, in simple words, you do not have to keep paying high fees if your automation needs are growing. There are strong alternatives available on the market that gives you more value of your money. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then please like this video, subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Remember to use the special link from description to get the benefit automatically. I will see you in the next one. Take care and automate this smarter. Bye bye.